and F, I, A. Just gonna give you these chords you can use to end the song. It's a pretty much a chromatic chord progression, using every note in the scale. We're in the key of G flat here. All right. It's gonna use every note in the scale to build a chord and take us back down. And it's a nice way you can end the song. All right. You got a 2-5-1. Walk right into it. Alright, so let me give you these chords real quick. Very simple. Alright, so remember, we're going chromatic, so we're going to walk down. We're going to play every single note on our left hand. Alright, going down the scale. Alright, so first chord, first thing we're going to do is hit that low G flat there to set us up. Alright, now I have left hand G flat, right hand B flat, D flat, G flat. So we got a G flat major chord. Next chord, I'm going to play F diminished. So left hand F and A flat, right hand B, D, F, A flat. Alright, third chord. Next note going down from the F is the E. So I'm going to play E tritone, E and B flat. Right hand D flat, G flat, B flat. Alright, left hand's going down. Right hand's going up. Alright. Now, next note down is E flat. So you're going to play the E flat. Hit your chord. Alright, so left hand E flat, B flat, B. Right hand E flat, G flat, A flat, D flat. And you're going to take that D flat, and resolve it to the B. Then you're gonna bring it down here. So you're gonna play left hand. Next note down is D. So you're gonna play D, G flat, A flat, B on the left hand. Same thing on the right hand. D, G flat, A flat, B. And you're gonna resolve the B's up top down to the B flat. So resolve the B. Like that. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go down to D flat. D flat is our next note. From D is D flat. Our chord is left hand D flat, A flat, B flat. Right hand D flat, G flat, B flat, G flat major chord. And then we're gonna hit the A flat, both hands. So those three chords we got. Alright, now the next movement. Once again. Alright, so that movement there. We got left hand C. We got C, A flat, B flat. Right hand C, E flat, A flat. Now these chords are gonna move a little bit faster. Alright, so after we hit that first chord with the C, it's basically playing an A flat major chord at 9. Alright, if we take that down, if we take this C away right here, you'll see it. Alright, so next chord down is gonna be B and A flat on our left hand. Right hand, B diminished 7, so B, D, F, A flat. Alright, then we're gonna do this right here. So that's G flat, G, A flat. When I hit the A flat in my right hand, I'm gonna play the B flat on my left hand. Alright. And then I'm gonna play this chord. Left hand, F, right hand, A flat, B flat. I'm sorry, A flat, D flat, G flat. So all together, here's our chord. B, B flat, F, A flat, D flat, G flat. All right, we're just breaking it down. I got the pedal held down, so you still hear the B flat. And then you're gonna resolve that F up to a G flat. So that holds 3 chords. So up to there we have after we hit this G flat here, we're gonna hit the G flat up top. And then go down to our A. A is our next note down from B flat. We got A. So left hand we're playing A, right hand we're playing G, D flat, G flat. Alright. Then we're gonna hit the G flat again, so it's like this. So we're gonna hit the G flat again, and then we're gonna go to left hand A flat, E flat, right hand G flat, D flat, G flat. So that once again. G flat, G flat. All right, now once we get here, we have options. All right, we can keep going down chromatically to the G. All right, or we can go down to our 5, which is our D flat. All right, so I'll show you both. All right, so if we're going down to the G, all right, we're gonna play basically left hand G, right hand A flat, B, D, F. You can add this F here if you want to. You can walk it down, E, E flat, D, chord, and then hit the note. I'm gonna let you hear it. All right. Now, if you don't want to go to that G there, if you want to go more traditional and go to the 5, you can do this right here. See, so I'm playing octaves: D flat, E flat, F. Then come down, hit this D flat, and that's our chord. D flat, left hand, right hand, F, A flat, B flat, D flat. When we get to the 1, our bass chord, we're gonna play the sus chord. Left hand G flat, right hand A flat, D flat, G flat. All right, but we can. So we got E, left hand. We got E, right hand. We got B and E, and we're gonna continue to hit this G flat up top. Next chord we got E flat, right hand B and E flat while playing the G flat. Next chord we're gonna play D in the left hand, right hand A and D, and then back to the A flat and D flat original chord. All right, so I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.